Every Claude Code course tells you to build SaaS for other people. I do the opposite. Claude Code writes the invoice, PDF, the Gmail reply, and the Telegram digest that runs my own business. If you're a solo operator, drowning in admin and staring at 4-hour tutorials that end before the money touches your bank account, this is for you. I'll show you the 3 output channels, 40 lines of glue per channel, 1 CLAUDE.md running on a €0 Ubuntu box, replacing 6 SaaS subs. No AIOS, no meta framework. I build these delivery layers for clients every week. Let's wire the first channel. Let's start with the part nobody tells you. Most Claude Code content treats Claude Code as a code generator. You prompt it, it writes an app, you ship the app to a client. That's a freelancer workflow. It doesn't scale, it doesn't compound, and it doesn't touch your revenue directly. What I'm going to show you is Claude Code as the delivery layer of your own business. The output it produces is the deliverable your customer pays for, not an app that makes the deliverable. The deliverable itself. An invoice, PDF, a reply to a client email, a daily digest that tells you what happened while you were sleeping. 3 channels. That's the entire one-person business layer. Now the pain point. You're a solopreneur. You're spending 2 to 4 hours a day on invoicing, on email triage, on figuring out what actually happened in your business today. You tried ChatGPT. It gave you good sentences. It didn't send anything. It didn't integrate with Gmail. It didn't render a PDF that matches your brand. It didn't push a summary to your phone at 7 p.m. You looked at N8N, Zapier, Make. You built one flow. It broke when the vendor pushed an update. You looked at a Claude Code course. 4 hours. It taught you to build a SaaS. You don't want to build a SaaS. You want your admin work to disappear. The reason existing solutions fail is they treat AI as a chat window and automation as a separate visual builder that lives in a browser tab. 2 systems, 2 bills, 2 failure points. What you actually need is one orchestrator that talks to 3 specific endpoints your business already uses. That's it. Let's build it. Channel 1 is the PDF output. This is the invoice, the quote, the client report, the contract draft. The pattern is the same. Claude Code sits in a directory on your machine. It has access to a data folder where structured customer records live as JSON or as rows in a local SQLite file. When a trigger fires, and the trigger can be as simple as you typing generate invoice for client X, Claude Code reads the structured record, applies the tax logic, chooses the right template, and hands a rendered payload to a small PDF generator script. In our stack, that generator is roughly 40 lines of Python using WheezyPrint or a headless Chromium call against an HTML template. Claude Code doesn't render the PDF itself. It prepares the exact payload the generator expects and calls it. The output lands in a dated folder, ready to attach, ready to send. The 40 lines are boring on purpose. All the intelligence lives in the prompt logic upstream and in the CLAUDE.md that defines your invoice tone, your currency formatting, your legal footer, your late fee clause. Channel 2 is the email draft, not send. Draft. This is the difference between a system you trust and a system that emails your biggest client at 3 a.m. with a hallucinated number. Claude Code writes into your Gmail drafts folder using the Gmail API with a service account or an OAuth token stored locally. The flow is straightforward. New client email lands. A watcher picks it up, feeds the thread context into Claude Code with your response guidelines from CLAUDE.md. And Claude Code writes a reply into the drafts folder tagged with a label like AI drafted. You open Gmail on your phone at 9 a.m. with coffee. Every reply is already there. You read, tweak 2 words if needed, hit send. 20 emails become a 15-minute review instead of a 90-minute writing session. The glue code here is another 40 lines. Auth. Fetch thread. Call Claude Code with the thread and the CLAUDE.md tone rules. Write draft. Apply label. That's the whole channel. Channel 3 is the Telegram Digest. This is the operational summary. Every evening at 7 p.m., a scheduled job kicks off. Claude Code reads the day's events. New invoices generated. Payments received. Emails drafted. Amy error logs. It writes a 5-bullet summary in the voice you defined. That summary gets pushed to a private Telegram chat that only you see, using the Telegram bot API. You get it on your phone during dinner. You know if today was a good day or if something needs attention tomorrow. No dashboard to log into. No SaaS to open. Just a message. 40 lines of glue. Now the piece that binds all 3. The CLAUDE.md file. This is a single markdown file that lives at the root of the project. It defines the tone for each channel. Formal on the invoice, PDF. Warm and direct on the Gmail drafts. Terse and factual on the Telegram Digest. It defines the guardrails. Never invent a customer number. Never send. Always draft. Never include personal client data in the Telegram Digest. Only aggregates. It defines the formats. Currency in euro with 2 decimals. Dates in ISO. Digest bullets prefixed with an emoji per category. 1 file. Around 80 lines. Every channel reads it. Change the file. All 3 channels update. That's the let to leverage. Why this beats an AIOS or a 4-hour course. There is no meta framework to learn. There are 3 concrete endpoints producing 3 concrete artifacts that touch revenue. The PDF becomes an invoice a client actually pays. The email draft becomes a reply that keeps a client relationship warm. The digest becomes the awareness that lets you run the business without a dashboard. 6 SaaS subscriptions gone. A Zapier plan. A scheduling tool. A reporting tool. An inbox assistant. A proposal generator. A bookkeeping helper. All replaced by one directory on a Ubuntu box that costs 0 to run because it lives on hardware you already own. Let me show you what it looks like when it runs. Monday morning, client sends an email asking for a quote on a project. Watcher picks it up. Claude Code reads the thread, generates a quote as a PDF using the quote template, writes a reply into Gmail drafts referencing the attached quote, and adds a line to today's digest that says 1 quote drafted for client X, awaiting review. You wake up. You open Gmail. Draft is there with the PDF ready. You review, you send. Total human time, 90 seconds. Total infrastructure cost for the month, 0. That's the entire 1-person business layer. 3 channels. Around 120 lines of glue code. 1 CLAUDE.md. Running on a machine that already sits under your desk. If you want this 3-channel delivery layer wired for your business, invoice PDFs, Gmail drafts, and a nightly Telegram digest, go to BizflowAI.io and see the exact pipelines we ship for clients. Book a free 30-minute discovery call there and we'll scope your channels in 1 week, not a 4-hour course. And hit subscribe and ring the bell so the next breakdown, where I wire the SQLite layer that feeds all 3 channels, lands on your feed the day it drops.